Ooh. All right, boys, we got episode 2 of my Kraton 8S. Sitting on some new J concept choppers here. So we're gonna go rip this thing and see what upgrades we need to do to it. Cause this thing is still bone stock besides the J concept tires. Let's go. So much better grip already. Oh my God. Voice crack on that. There you go, little red cat. All right, let's send this big old Kraton off of here. I'm probably gonna break the ramp because it weighs like 50 pounds. Ow. Oh, headshot. You're on your wheels. That was a bad land for the Kraton. Really bad land for the Kraton. There we go. What a beauty. What a beaut. Get one another good sendo. Oh God. Ian is here to stuff in the fan. Oh no! Oh no! Did we just pull out or we break? Oh, we broke. We broke the ball on there. Aftermarket hubs. Metal aftermarket hubs, guys. Arma. Wow. That was like, what does my phone say, like 3 minutes in? Whatever. It took some nasty landings. Here comes Red Cat. It took some nasty landings. But, yep, we'll get it fixed and get some more footage of it. Flip it on back to the truck. Flip it on back to the truck. I'm a little messed up. All right, boys, this video is sponsored by Sedata. We're gonna have a brand new coffee table installed here to replace that old, janky little table that I used forever. Hopefully this coffee table is gonna be good enough to fit the big girls. So let's get this thing put together and see if it could fit those big girls. Let's get it.
Okay guys, we finally have finished the coffee table. We did a time lapse. We're also gonna do like another little thing here so you guys can see us for the grand finale, but I'm trying to figure out where to put the phone.
All right, now moment of truth, guys, moment of truth. Can it fit my big girls?
Yes, it can.
Yeah, look at that. Come over here and look at this. It fits the big Kratons perfectly. No problem at all. And now it's gonna be set up a little bit more so that I don't have to bend down and be breaking my back and look like I'm hunchback when I'm 97. So hopefully this is gonna work out. Thank you so much Sedata for this stuff. Go check them out. We'll have a link down below for some big discounts as well. Thank y'all so much. Let's get into the video.
Woohoo! Thanks a lot, guys. We're gonna have so much fun. And let's hope he keeps this clean. Are you gonna keep it clean?
Heck no. Alright, so I know we've been breaking stuff on here, but I cannot wait to try it out on the new speed pinion, the 30 tooth. So before it's just been totally stock and it's not back flipping. So we're gonna throw this thing on here after we already fixed the knuckle and we're gonna get back out there. Let's do it. So after about 30 minutes, I finally got it off. This is the original 23, we're going to a 30. Let's get it back on here. Got the 30 on there. All we gotta do is just tap it in. Tap it in. Tap it in. Tap it in. What is going on, boys? It is 100 degrees out here in this Texas heat, but we're gonna do some bashing. We brought our Kraton 8S EXB out here to the skate park. We're gonna see what breaks. We got it on the 30 tooth pinion here. The hub is fixed, as well as sitting on these beautiful J concept tires. We're gonna see if we can bend this chassis, what we can do out here at the skate park. Let's get into it. She might be a little big for the skate park, but who cares? This 30 tooth pinion is gonna wake this thing up and overheat. Oh yeah. Woo! That was a chassis slapper right there, boys. Oh yeah. She's running really good. Oh my God, I saw sparks. I saw sparks. Did you guys see the sparks? Yeah, I replaced the hub over here with the stock hub instead of the metal one. Let's get a good one on this jump right here. See how well we can do it. Okay, I'm pretty sure I can get a backflip. It cut my power on that. Let's try that again. Hopefully this thing lasts the day. I don't know if this thing is gonna last the day or not, but you know, I got my Arma hat on, so should be a good day. All right, let's see if we can get a backflip off of this one right here. Oh yeah. Landing pretty good. Ooh, that was a chassis slapper. She's cogging pretty bad on that 30 tooth, but it's waking her up. Let's get a good send off this big jump right here. Landing just fine. Look how quick this is on that 30 tooth. Oh my God. Let's get a good one again. Oh yeah. She's going about as far as the max slash. Oh, this 30 tooth really wakes it up. She's rowdy out here, boys. Get another good one here. Oh my God. Hoping y'all are enjoying this. This is awesome. This sounds great on these J Concepts. Yeah, chassis slappers. She lands so good. I'm so happy with this thing. Uh-oh. What a smack. Oh my God. Pretty sure you can hear that over in the UK. Oh my God. See if I can get another one off this lip ray. You can hear the air come out of the J Concepts. Ooh! Oh my God, dude, that was right on the chassis over here. Oh my God. Let's get a good send off of this one right here. Yeah. Oh, something's stripping. Something's stripping. I think it was that chassis. I think it was that chassis hit. Oh my God. Let me see, boys. Let me see what happened here. Oh, that was a hard hit. It sounds like the pinion. It's so loud now. Or it's a diff. That's so loud. Well, should we keep running it? Boys, it hit so hard it creased my batteries. It literally creased my batteries. So I hope these Ovonics are still good. But so we're gonna run it till it quits, but I don't know what is making a god-awful noise. This is loose now. I just took that off earlier. I'm tempted just to keep running it until see exactly what breaks. I'm pretty sure we bent the chassis. We're just gonna keep running it and see what ends up dying. How about that? Oh my God. It is so bad. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. I can't drive it anymore. Oh, man. Sound like a two-stroke. Make it back to the truck. All right, we made it back to the truck. I'm thinking it might be center diff after all. That was pretty insane, boys. I hope y'all enjoyed that and enjoyed the entire Kraton video. We have some humongous plans coming for the Kraton. So remember, guys, Irma Tough, baby. They can last longer than 5 minutes, unlike you. It is, in fact, the pinion, if you guys could see that. It is extremely hot and shredded down. I meshed it perfectly, but I could see the little C-clip did pop off on that hit, and I think everything would have broke on that hit. But all we gotta do is get another pinion and we'll be good to go. All right, back in the shop here after the big crashes. We're gonna use this perfectly straight axle here to determine if the chassis is bent, because you know how everybody uses their straight edges that they never use for any other purposes. Well, as of right now, it's looking like it might be a wee bit bent there. I'm gonna go ahead and say it's not bent. Dang, that's a strong chassis, but we got something better coming pretty soon. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you really enjoyed it, and we got some big plans coming from this Kraton, as I just mentioned. See you in the next video.